So this is actually a couple of different items from DEWALT. This is a set of small shelves, or small drawers, and then a deep drawer, and then on top of that is another deep drawer, and then under that, I should say, is this top opening. So this one pivots open, and so essentially this one is the bottom of the T-stack, and it's kind of empty right now. I'd like to, if I would have done this better, I would have put another drawer there. I don't know what I was thinking. I wanted it to get it up, and the idea is that with these T-stacks, I can just flip these switches and pull these top cabinets off and get into this one. I guess I thought I might put this one on top of the stack and have the bigger drawers for heavy stuff at the bottom, but then I ended up putting a table up here, which means that I wanted drawers all the way up to the top. This T-stack hardware organizers from DEWALT, definitely cool. Hope this helps.